shit.
Size of I got gravel.
Get in here.
Damien.
Wow. Hey, Dad. There's thunder. That's the one I had too. Whoa.
That must have broke my windshield on my car.
Oh, see the lightning? Hurry up, Dad. There's lightning.
The table cracked. What size on the table?
That's why I'm recording it, man. Holy shit.
You want me to close it or leave it open?
Leave it open. A little bit.
Yeah.
I'm getting off my computer too. Getting off. That's ridiculous. I didn't know that it's not cracked. I've seen it. Want me to show you in the video? Hail. Wow, that was a lot.